mile 0 of the Turkey. And there's 3 of us. The 3 musketeers o tatlong itlog. Gobble gobble. Like Manila here. Nasa Eskinita tayo ah. Nasa Eskinita na. Utang na pataas. Turkey, right? Gravel bike. Hang on. Oh shit! Go, 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 go. Oh shit! Fuck! I forgot you don't do mountain bike. You wanna go for it? Yeah, go ahead. Have fun. I'm gonna follow you, man. I'll follow you. I think I've got lost. Morning. Awesome. Thank you, sir. Thank you. job, Bush. Good job, Bush. You got it. Don't worry, man. Don't worry. Don't worry. You got you. You gotta take your mountain biking with that, Bush. Good job, buddy. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. That's down the last one. Uh-oh. You lost Bush. You lost Bush. Yeah, he just went to the side. A little too slippery. For a road slick tire. Cool, thank you. You got one more. Hiker up! Watch out, Bush! We got hikers! Oh shit! Oh shit, come on! Oh shit! My bad. I'll try to slow down. On my bike. Didn't want to go slow down. Slick tire. A freaking slick tire. Yeah, slick tire didn't want to slow down. You okay? Yeah, I'm okay. I got to, man. Shoot. Damn thing. Oh, I tried to slow down that thing. Just rock, slippery rock. Good morning. Awesome, thank you, sir. I got two more behind me. Okay. Woo. Good morning. I got two more behind me. God damn, fucking fight. Didn't want to slow down. Oh my goodness, that would have been a big. Crazy. That was nuts. Yeah, road's a little too wet. Alright. Well, that was. Dude. You even cleared that rock right next to me. I stopped right at the Dude, I tried. I was trying to stop, but my bike didn't want to stop. Yeah, no. They're freaking slipping. I gotta.
That's pretty good though that you fucking cleared that.
I gotta go through it, man. I would have plowed.
How the hell did you clear that rock right next to me?
I would have plowed right behind you if I didn't. What's up, Bush?
Did you see that? Did you see what it cleared there? That's straight up rock garden, man.
It was a freaking stupid rock garden on the road. Slick. Ooh, I think I lost air on my freaking front tire too because of that shit.
You did?
Yeah. That's the deadliest part of the turkey. It's the tuy tuy. Be back on the freaking pavement after that stupid rock garden. I'm in church. I'm in church now.
Gento, dito basta bingo. Di mo makumpleto parang bento. Gento, ano kaya mo? Sino kayang bubunan makakita lang ng Ginto, kahit na wala pang hinto.
Filthy, man. All that modding. Oh, I'm trying to. This is the stairs part. Downhill spinner.
Di ko basta makakakita ng ginto. Di ko na kailangan lumunok ng bato. Hindi malandanan. Kaya ko nga namuni-muni ko. Sa daming pinagdaanan, nagpatong ng istoriko. Soso mga chismoso, likat pumanik na rito. Hindi naman talaga madali. Aminin ko pa man onde. Sa likod ng mga takong bagay, pegamaran kong hapdi. Palisto, laging nalisto. Kahit pa si Mephisto, tignan pag nag-base mo, the-base ko.
No rush, I can do this all day. Uniform mentality like Bombay. The harder I work, the harder I play. Parang umbo, sakin sa salpa kakuluwa. Ito na nga, wala na magdadadada. Pag ako ng mga diretso, sigaw baba. Ako ay galing sa lupa. Kahit pilitin mo mukha, hindi mo makukuha.
What kind of bike do you have?
It's a sledgehammer.
You got shocks, pegs, lucky. You ever take it off when you sweep jumps?
aluminum foil. My brother likes to masturbate with baby oil. Turkey and sweet potato pie. Sammy Davis Jr. only had one eye. Oh, turkey for the girls and turkey for the boys. My favorite kind of pants are corduroys. Gobble, gobble, goo, and gobble, gobble, giggle. I wish turkey only cost a nickel. Oh, I love turkey on Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Oh, thank you.